gonna show you a little tip today on Ford manual trannies, the older ones. Let's see. You have, once you take this boot off, and you get access to this right here. You loosen that nut, take the nut off. Take it off by hand. Still a little tight, but got these fingers with the grip right here. Take that off. Side right here. Put the nut back on there. Tighten it. Ratchet it back on. And get tight again. We'll get easy again. Shit. Fuck was that? This fucking thing's in the way. There we go. Keep tight. Hold on. And then it moves a little bit, pushes it back, and then it should pop right out. Bam. You can see here, pulls it right out. And then you just slide this thing out, set it to the side, pull the tranny out. As you can see, it has a flat spot where this sits right here. That was the tip of the day.